Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the very beautiful and refreshing mocktail recipe apt for the scorching summer heat. Yes, it is watermelon mojito. Come, let's get on to the recipe. First, let's make the watermelon balls, the tiny balls out of them. Just take a spoon. This is a measuring spoon, half teaspoon measuring spoon. This is. I have taken it. Now you have to scoop it just like the way I am doing, so that you get small and cute balls, and you can use them for decoration in the final stage. And you can see the beautiful balls. You can keep them aside. Now the rest of the watermelon can be cut into small pieces, and you have to blend them in a blender. This is about 1 cup of watermelon pieces I have taken. Blend them thoroughly, and this should be strained, because in order to remove the seeds we need to strain. Now keep a colander and strain the juice. Now the juice is ready. Take a tall glass and add around 3 lemon wedges and some mint leaves and 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup. And this is the muddler, wooden muddler. So using this you can muddle it very well, so that you get a good look of the the mojito. And you have to add some 4 or 5 pieces of watermelon pieces and muddle again. Now add about 5 to 6 ice cubes, and above it add sweetened soda water. This is the colorless soda water I have taken, sweetened one, and followed by 1/4 cup of watermelon juice. And arrange the watermelon balls that we had made on top of the glass and garnish with some mint leaves. Now a beautiful watermelon mojito is ready to be served. Serve immediately, and please try this recipe at home. This would be very delicious, and please write me your feedback. Thank you all very much. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Khuram.